Bridge, man. What's up, man? What's going on? It's Q.
Yo, what's up, Q, man?
Yo, how you doing, man? It's good to see you, man.
I'm alright, man. Yo, how's your crew?
Yo, they outside waiting. Yo, what's up with you? Yo, when you got parole, man?
Yo, man, I just got paroled the other day, man.
That shit is cool, man. I hope you taking care of yourself. Word up.
Come on, man. This Blizz, of course I'm taking care of myself, man.
Man, it's nice to see you, man.
Yeah, pardon me for a second. I'm about to rob this place. Alright, everybody, put your hands in the